What if energy no longer held us back? The speed of innovation is moving at an unprecedented pace, but battery performance is often a bottleneck. LeydenJar breaks through this barrier with record-beating energy density, enabling unlimited innovation. We change the game by using the most promising next-generation material for lithium-ion batteries: pure silicon. But silicon is not without challenges. To achieve such high energy density, silicon swells and breaks easily when charged with lithium ions. LeydenJar discovered a way for silicon to be both strong and flexible by building sponge-like structures with plenty of room internally and in between the sponges, creating resilient, break-proof silicon, resulting in an extraordinarily thin anode with fast charge capabilities that holds revolutionary amounts of energy. What's more, our unique dry anode production process saves energy and resources. This patented concept is the basis of LeydenJar's anode technology, which enables batteries to be small and powerful. When energy is boundless, so are the possibilities. We're here to enable a bright future. LeydenJar.